Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard nails at home. First, ensure your nails are clean and dry before any treatment. Hydration is key, so massage a few drops of cuticle oil into your nails and surrounding skin every day. This simple step helps prevent brittleness. Also, consistently use a good quality nail strengthener as your base coat. This creates a protective layer, promoting stronger growth and reducing breakage over time. For a fantastic do-it-yourself treatment, combine 1 tablespoon of warm olive oil with about 5 drops of fresh lemon juice. Olive oil deeply moisturizes, while lemon juice helps brighten and strengthen. Soak your fingertips in this mixture for 10 to 15 minutes. This nourishing bath provides essential nutrients directly to your nail beds. Consistent application, 2 or 3 times weekly, will significantly improve nail hardness and appearance. Your diet plays a crucial role in nail strength. Incorporate biotin-rich foods such as eggs, almonds, and avocados into your meals. Biotin is a B vitamin known for promoting healthy nail growth. Also, ensure you're getting enough protein, found in lean chicken, fish, or lentils, as nails are primarily made of keratin, a protein. Don't forget to drink plenty of water. Proper hydration supports strong, resilient nails from within. Protecting your nails from external damage is just as important. Always wear gloves when performing household chores, especially when using cleaning products or submerging your hands in water. This barrier prevents chemicals from weakening your nails. Also, be mindful of how you file your nails. Always file in one direction, from the side to the center, to avoid causing micro tears and splitting. These simple habits will help maintain their newfound strength.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.